the problem. It says lamp. I think that's the wrong lamp. Turn on the brakes. The brakes work. And the other one? Yeah. There's a problem, all right. Let's fix it. All right, what did he get? Ooh, that's fancy. Look at that. You know you could have got a new bulb, right? Well, he got the whole unit. There it is. Looks like a plug and play operation. Look at that. It's got some fancy stuff and some other fancy stuff. Let's see if it works. All right, we're gonna just take that off. This is pretty basic. I'm thinking maybe you should unplug the other lights though first. Okay, so the plug, there's one right there in the middle. That comes out pretty easy.
There's another one here.
Where do you find that gizmo?
There's another one down here.
So we're just going to go ahead and unscrew the side bolts. Take in mind the sequence that everything is in. There's gaskets, there's spacers, there's washers. So pay attention.
Well, that was easy.
Yeah, washer.
Leave those there. There it is. All right, so we got the new one in front and the old one in back. Let's check them out. It's heavy duty, that's for sure. This glass, it's maybe like a polycarbonate or something. Seems very strong. It's heavy. It's definitely heavy. Here's the stock one. Wow, you can see that bulb like burnt the plastic back there. That thing's, it must have got hot. All right. The back, here's the plug design. Looks very similar. Looks like that'll seal up well. And they left this for like looks, I guess. But you've got some hexes in the back. Maybe that's an adjuster. Let's get that bad boy in there and see what it's like. All right, so we're gonna put it back in. And this is the tricky part. You gotta line the rubber spacer up, and you've got a big spacer. All right, so we're actually gonna plug it in first and make sure it works. Well, there's that little beauty light. Oh yeah. Successful. Okay, it might be helpful to have a helper to help you hold stuff while you figure out your aftermarket light accessory.
Can you see it from that end? A little bit is off. This one's it. Okay, I'm in here.
That
I'm good.
side's in,
How about you?
and this side is ready for hardware now.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we got the spacer in, and your bolt and washer. And now they give us 2 lock washers here. So the magical theory is that that's going to go in here in between the headlight and the mounting bracket and get sandwiched in there
Okay.
to help prevent wiggle. So these rubber washers used to dampen the headlight, and now these are going to be gone. So the big joke here is, how many people does it take to change a light bulb?
3 people. I know it says 3, but I forget the sequences.
So what we're going to do here is do one side first, and we're going to just fit that in.
With this.
And it's going to pull out a little bit more.
Yeah.
It's going to go there. And then now we're going to put the lock washer on there in the middle. Which is definitely easier said than done. And this go this way. And that goes here. And to pull the bulb a little bit so we can get to here. So show this over here. So with this housing, we're gonna look right up here. Okay, so we pull this aside so we can get this in. Okay, I'm gonna have you do that. So what we have here is the bolt, the washer, the bracket, the spacer, the bracket attached to the motorcycle, the lock washer, and then the headlight itself. So let's tighten that up.
Okay, we're in.
Okay. Don't go all the way in.
Just a little bit to get it to hold in place. Now we're gonna do the other side.
And then the lock washer is a pain in the neck.
Okay.
That's okay. Good times.
Now, it housing.
Count the hands, ladies and gentlemen. How many do we need?
Okay. I don't have a visual to align it.
Looks pretty close.
You wanna? Can you
Start
see it?
screwing. Yeah, you just start screwing. It should go in, huh? I think you're there.
No bite.
It's almost there.
No bite. I'm gonna pinch this spacer in between.
Okay.
I'm gonna look for that hole. Oh, it's way off. So, hang on to that.
Use a screwdriver or something to poke it straight through and line them up.
Okay. Nope. Nope. I'm gonna pinch it again. Way off.
Can you just your finger for a while until it bites?
Here, look. There. Right there. The headlight's in the right place now.
This is off, bro.
Yeah, well, you move that one.
Got it. Finally.
Amazing. Hang on, you forgot something. I'm just kidding. All right. All right, so it's on, but we're gonna have to adjust it still. I think we'll wait till he sits on the bike and get it at the right height.
It was easy if you put it.
Put another dime in that. We can make it go again.
What do you mean?
This is like the little toys at the grocery store for your kids to ride on. Rocks back and forth.
Yeah, that's
No, it slips.
You're doing good.
No, man.
Hi.
You want to see it from here, Robert?
Again? What do you think? Right about there?
Lower, lower, lower. That should do it.
All right.
Hi. Hi. Yeah, that's about right.
All right, we'll confirm that tonight in the dark.
You need to turn it off?
High beam, low beam. Cool. And then don't forget to tighten it back up. And yeah, you want to hold it in place while you do that. There you have it. 3 guys to change a light bulb.
I'm gonna start it up. No more shake. A little bit shake.
Yeah, that's why you have to tighten up, you know.
Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, found it useful, please give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to the channel. If you need to get a headlight unit like this, we're going to see about putting some links in the description below. Thanks again, and have a great day. Ride safe.